If you have been staying up all night when you hear the Fajr adhan, and some of us throughout the year never hear the Fajr adhan in the masjid except in Ramadan. Like we will never catch the Fajr adhan in the masjid except maybe in Ramadan in these last 10 nights because we're staying up all night. And so you're hearing, As-salatu khayru min an-nawm. Prayer is better than sleep. And the ulama mention here, the scholars mention here, that every other adhan, Hayya al-falah, come to success, because it is likely that you are doing something else during the other 4 prayers that you think will bring you a sense of success and happiness, and Allah says, Hayya al-falah, come instead to success. This is true success. But for Fajr, most likely, throughout the year, you're just sleeping. Your struggle is Salah worth it enough for me to get out of bed right now and to push myself? And so that added push, Salah, prayer is better than sleep, prayer is better than sleep. And what do you repeat? As-salatu khayru min an-nawm. You repeat it as you're getting up, right? Hayya ala-salah, hayya ala-falah. You repeat, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Remind yourself of the power and treasures of God. But when you hear As-salatu khayru min an-nawm, indeed, As-salatu khayru min an-nawm. And subhanAllah, it strikes you differently when you've been up all night, right? Because it's like you're craving sleep at that point. You're sleep deprived. You're waiting for Fajr to come in to try to sneak in some sleep. And you're hearing As-salatu khayru min an-nawm. And you might think to yourself at that moment, subhanAllah, what did I put forth for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?